Realistically, you tell me what's more expensive. Continue paying this company $40 a week for them to not even show up? Or does it make more sense to just hire us? We'll take care of it.
Your team answers phones for people. I'm assuming they just don't say, "Hi, what do you want?" So what are some tips and tricks you can give people of how to answer the phone? How do you get the person from credit card on file in a single phone call, skipping the whole "let me talk to my spouse" thing if necessary?
Most of the calls we get are people that are coming over from a bad experience. Could be a company that just let the ball down. Maybe they started out great, and then over time they hired the wrong people, and they just stopped caring or whatever. And quality assurance. So I always try to find out, what's your current situation? Do you have a company now that's maintaining it? Or are you doing it yourself? So tell me more about what's going on. And a lot of times they're going to say, "Oh, my company I use now, we need to just find somebody else." Okay, tell me about that. What's going on? Well, the guy's just not showing up. It's 3 weeks since he's last came out. So it sounds like the one's getting a little out of control. Yep. We're afraid we might get a notice on the door, a fine from the city or whatever. Okay, so it sounds like you want to get this done like pronto. That's the goal here. Yeah, so, okay, great. So what we do, we have an assigned day of the week. I'm kind of going over what the company has, right? Where we come out this day, we send you reminders, text, email, let you know where we're at in the process. And then when we show up, we're going to let you know, what we did. We're going to leave all that information laid out. Does that sound like what you're looking for? Yeah, of course. Great. All right. So this is the price. This is what's all included. What day of the week can we get started? Thursday or Friday? So this is an assumed close. So rather than asking, does that sound good to you? What day of the week would work best? Tomorrow or Friday? Whatever that day is. And then now they're thinking Thursday or Friday instead of yes or no. Wow. So that's kind of like a glimpse of what we do. There's always objections you're going to get. They're going to be like, "Well, hold up. I need to think about this. Like, I need to talk to my spouse." Okay, no problem. Perfectly understand. When in the next day or two do you think you could get back with me? They're going to say, "Oh, I could probably talk to the spouse this evening." Okay, quick question before I let you go. When you do talk to the spouse, what do you think they'll have questions about? This is where you get the real objection. It's not that they want to think about it. It's probably because the price is too high. They just don't want to tell you your price is too high because they don't want to be rude or whatever. So, okay, tell me how you arrived at, what do you feel like the price is too high? Well, we've got a company now, like I said, and they're charging us $40 a week. Your price is a little bit more than what we were anticipating. Sounds like you've got a great deal. So why are you calling us? And then they're going to go back to, well, they just haven't showed up. They're not. Okay. So you're going to continue paying this company $40 a week for them to not even show up? Or does it make more sense to just hire us? We'll take care of it. Peace of mind, your lawn's going to get mowed. You're not going to get fined. Realistically, you tell me what's more expensive. And you kind of get them into that framework, thinking like, instead of price-based thinking, they're thinking about solutions and how we can solve their problem.
I love that.